Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and we have a pretty big pay-per-view battle coming up next week. So grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, whatever your candy of choice is. And I want to make this very clear. What I'm about to do here is not like I'm trying to come across as some sort of master or this is some sort of great discovery or anything like that. The exact opposite. I assure you a lot of people out there that use charts has noticed this. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And what we have here is just an overall pattern here. First part of this pattern is the resistance portion right here. And this is just representing that, yeah, the bulls have been struggling right now. Sure, the price has made some upwards movements, but overall the price has been drifting downwards. So that's the bearish attribute of things. But on the flip side of things, you also have to give full credit where credit's due. The bulls have actually been doing very, very well too. So let's change this to green to represent bullish. But you can see right here that over time, the bulls have been nicely pressing the price further and further in the upwards direction, which has created what would be known as this symmetrical triangle, this wedge pattern. Now, you do have to give the advantage to the bulls just because this is occurring in an uptrend. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because it's a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure, guaranteed, this thing is going to explode upwards. If only it were that easy. My point here is that is it valid? Is it a rational thought to think that the thing could be getting ready to move upwards? Yeah, that's more than valid. That's more than rational given the trend, given the pattern that here that's formed, but that doesn't mean that it's for sure. But like I said, the big question mark going forward is who is ultimately going to win out? Are the bulls going to win out with a break to the upside, or are the bears going to win with a break to the downside? That all remains to be seen, but like I said, grab your popcorn. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.